Hey everyone, Matt King with the Piers Team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. And if you would like to see more, we highly encourage you to take a look at our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for Piers LLC and leave a like and subscribe. Today we're out here showcasing our project in Cameron, Missouri. We are installing 3 Pier 2s underneath the footing. We're going to raise this roughly about an inch or so to get it back to level. So you can see right here, that chalk line, we just started lifting. That chalk line is raising slightly just up and up from where the laser is. That's how we know the footing is actually being raised. So we'll take a look here. Bear with me just a sec while we scoot the laser down to the other end. So we'll take a look over here. So yeah, I'd say we're getting close to about 1/4 of an inch right now. It's raising more on this end at the moment. So we're gonna raise. This one was really only down this corner about 1/4 of an inch. This end is what we're gonna have to be raising a little bit more to make sure everything's level. So we'll just keep an eye on that. But yeah, that laser is where the chalk line was before we got started. So yeah, once we see that chalk line move up and up from the laser, that's how we know we're actually raising this footing. And of course we have the customers on the inside. They can tell as well. But yeah, this project, just to sum everything up, was a 3 Pier 2 installation job. That's what we're doing right now, under the footing to raise that back up. And then we did some exterior sealing of the foundation wall that you can see here. We used a combination of NP100 polyurethane, epoxy, and then the commercial foundation tar. So we are really just in not even 2 minutes of raising these piers. We were already able to raise it that much. That just shows you the power of the King Pier installation, the King Pier methodology. So most of these projects that we do, they are not substantial lifts. Really our average on needing to lift a footing back to level is going to be about an inch, maybe a half an inch. As you've seen from our previous videos, we do have projects where we've raised 2-3 inches. But I would say this is about on par for the average lift. It works just the same. King Pier methodology works just the same, whether it's under a footing or it's under, a sinking slab of concrete. The type of foundation does not matter, whether it's a concrete foundation like this or a stone foundation, cinder block foundation, rock foundation. We have installed these piers, this exact same pier underneath all of them. So we will get this finished up. We got a couple cracks on the inside we're going to be sealing with NP100 once this is done. We got concrete coming out here in about an hour to encase these piers up to the top of the footing, and then it'll be ready for backfill. We'll try to get this yard looking as nice and neat as we possibly can. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for Piers LLC. And again, while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.